I'm Meteorologist Keith Gibson, your forecast right here online. For Thursday, we do have some storm possibilities. The first round coming in after 4 o'clock in the morning. A line of storms will push east of 55. It should gradually weaken the farther east it travels, but if it does hold together a little bit longer, east of 55, the main threats would be damaging wind and hail. Now, during the afternoon and evening, a second round of storms is possible. Redevelopment likely here with this warm and unstable atmosphere. All modes of severe weather would be possible during the second half of the day. Hail, wind, and tornadoes on an isolated basis. The wild card here could be a storm complex down closer to the Gulf Coast that could limit the coverage here this far north. But at this point, we are putting wind, tornadoes, hail in Category 3 of 4 here, the Severe Weather Threat Index for Thursday afternoon here in our coverage area. And if we do have severe weather that does prompt some tornado warnings, we will, of course, have our simulcast going on some of these radio stations here in northeast Mississippi. So if you're driving around, you can get us also on the radio as well. Here's Futurecast picking up on a line of storms approaching from the west here later on tonight. By 4 o'clock in the morning or so, pushing east of 55. I do expect a lot of this to begin weakening once it moves past the interstate. And then we'll have a bit of a lull here for our Thursday morning into the early afternoon, but some additional redevelopment here after 1 or 2 o'clock. And these storm cells here across eastern Mississippi and west Alabama could rotate, producing those threats of hail, wind, and isolated tornadoes. All of that should be done by 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. It's going to be warm. It's going to be humid. Upper 70s to low 80s here on the region for Thursday. Southerly breezes at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. We will clear it out. Friday's looking very nice, 77 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds around 80. Gorgeous here on Saturday, cool nights, warm days, 79 on Sunday. There will be a chance for storms late Sunday into Monday. There's your 7-day forecast.